What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you today with a Black Friday special. So this is going to be good through Friday this week at 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So for those of you new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos like this one where you can get special deals and offers. So with that being said, I'm going to cover what's inside this offer. I tried to pack as much value as possible as I could into it. And this, to me, is a no-brainer for anyone who's looking to get started or start scaling online. So I'm going to give you a breakdown here and then drop some links below in the description so you can check out kind of each piece of this offer, dissect it, and see if it's the right fit for you. This is also a limited offer in the fact that only 5 people are going to get access to this. So if you are interested, make sure to jump in the link below or drop a comment if you have any questions. Because this is going to be a first come, first serve type thing. So with that being said, let's dive into the offer. So the first piece of this offer is you're going to get unlimited access to Legendary leads and all future updates for a one-time fee. So no monthly or annual billing. That's a value I placed on it of about $1,490. I have sold a lifetime deal in the past for Legendary. So that's accurate value, and it would cost $97 a month if you were to just stay on the monthly plan. So you can visit Legendary Leads here, watch the demo video, see what all is included in this. It's pretty much the only marketing software you need. You can build your websites. You get, a phone. You can use text messages, do voicemail drops. You can send email drip campaigns. So pretty much everything you need in one spot. It'll be your CRM system. You can do your scheduling through there. You can get rid of Calendly. It does all your follow-up reminders and stuff like that. So super powerful software, and you get that as your first offer. The second part of this offer is going to be unlimited access to 3 of my favorite Genius apps, and that's going to be Messenger, Connector, and Scheduler. So you can come here to learn more about these 3 tools. I cover these in this demo right here. These are a $47 a month value. I have sold lifetime deals for these as well, but these are going to be all you need to really scale on Facebook using organic strategies, so you don't have to spend any money on ads. You can find your ideal clients by keyword, send them a friend request, as well as a message that you customize, and you can rotate the messages as you're sending these. This will happen for you on autopilot, so it's basically like having a virtual assistant doing all your outreach for you. And then once that outreach happens, they'll come into your CRM here. In Genius Messenger, you can label them. You can add tags that will follow them throughout the CRM. You can send broadcast messages. All your message templates will be available inside Messenger, so you can just easily click and send those out. And lots of other cool stuff. You can schedule follow-up notifications and a lot more. So dive into the video, see if that's something you're interested in doing. This is probably one of my favorite Chrome extensions ever made. So outside of the video speed controller, this one will help you keep organized on Facebook and actually convert more of your leads into sales, because a lot of those conversations get lost in Messenger, and without a system to really convert those leads, a lot of them will just go cold, and then you'll forget about them and they'll forget about you. So highly recommend getting something like this set up. And then Scheduler's cool too. You can kind of schedule your posts if you want to using that. I don't use it too much right now, but a lot of people get this and they can kind of batch their content out for the month all at once. And the third part of this offer is going to be unlimited access and white label rights to the Happy Birthday Chrome extension. So this is a cool little tool. It works on Facebook and LinkedIn. And basically you can customize messages here to send on people's timeline. So it'll say like happy birthday John, happy birthday Sarah, etc. on their birthday automatically for you. You'll be able to see your Facebook history here of all your messages that went out successfully. You can alternate messages or just have a single one if you want. And you can toggle it for Facebook or LinkedIn. We just added as well that you can send this as a message instead of posting on their timeline on Facebook, or you can do both if you want to. So real simple little tool, but it's very powerful. You can kind of see some results here of this working. And basically, it's just a good way to stay connected with all your friends. If you have a lot of friends on Facebook and LinkedIn, it's going to be hard to remember everyone's birthday or take the time to post on their timeline. Just make sure you're staying in touch with those people and sending them that happy birthday message. You can change it out once a year. So the next year it'll be a brand new message and stuff like that. And just set it and forget it. And it'll keep you in touch with everybody. So with this one, you actually get the ability to give away additional accounts. So if you know someone who would like this Chrome extension, you could just gift it to them. Christmas is coming up, so that could be something you want to do. You can also resell this. So you have the ability to charge whatever price you want. I charge $197 for this Chrome extension as a one-time fee. You can do that same thing and go out and resell it. So that's the power of having that white label for this tool. So I'll drop this in the description as well, so you can go check this out. So finally, the last part, and probably the most valuable in terms of me adding as much value as I can to this package, is I'm going to give you a one-on-one coaching package and a custom website or funnel design. So for the coaching, it's going to be 4 one-on-one sessions. You can schedule those at your convenience. During those sessions, you can ask questions. We can formulate a strategy. We can talk about what you want to do for your website and funnels. We can set up some of your software. I can show you how it all works. Get it integrated with other tools like Zapier. If you have a Zapier account, automate some things for you. Like in Legendary, I can connect that to external apps that you might want to have connected and stuff like that. So that's going to be a $19.97 value. I haven't sold a package this low in quite a while, but in the spirit of Black Friday and in the spirit of marketing and just wanting to build with a couple people, I decided to put this offer together. So that's a total real value of $4,381. For Black Friday only, it's going to be $997. Like I said, this is going to be first come, first serve, and I'm only taking 5 people because there is some of my time involved in fulfillment for this. So you can see some of my website and funnel designs, like I built this guy here, and a bunch of others. So if you need help with an offer, that's why we have those kind of 4 sessions. We could put an offer together for you. I can do designs in Canva and just come together and get something official put up on either a funnel or a website, whichever one you kind of want to build out. So this is good through Friday. If you have any questions about it, you can drop those below or feel free to email me. But other than that, I'm going to drop the links below and I'll drop a link to the invoice. It's just going to be a straight Stripe invoice. So you can come here to the checkout page and you can see $997 has the offer right here. And I'll get you your software unlocked within 48 hours of payment on that invoice. If the invoice is live, if you go to that page and it's live, the offer is still available. So that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next video. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and smash that bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hope you have a great week. Hope you have happy holidays, happy Thanksgiving with the family. Catch you soon on the next video. Stay legendary.